What's up guys, it's Aldino from Alpha Scene here, and today we're joined with Yellow Yoshi, yellow not green, and the Apple box. Yes, another Apple purchase a day later. I was supposed to get this yesterday, but then there was an issue with my carrier, Vodafone. By the way, Vodafone, if you're watching this, you really need to fix your customer support service and find someone who actually knows what he's talking about. In the financial billing department especially. Anyways, let's skip that bullshit and just go along with the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So there it is. As you can see, this box is a black box. Usually the box for the new iPhones is white. So that's what's different about this one already. This is just paperwork. We'll chuck this down here. And now let's get on with the unboxing. Put Yoshi a bit to the side, turn him around so you can watch what we're doing. And let's get on with it. So here there's a little latch, just push it off and bam. You know what I'm gonna do after this? Well, all you guys that know me know what I'm gonna do as soon as I open the box. So the first thing, go look at the box, it's nice. It's got that matte material feel, typical Apple. It's got everything at the back, all the information, so what it includes inside, the earpods, the charger, the USB-C, the fast charger now. It tells you what iPhone it is, so 256 gigabyte, midnight green iPhone 11 Pro Max. Fuck, what a hard name to say. Also, they have the serial code and all that stuff. That's what you need for warranty. Anyways, here's the box. I'll show you a side view. And that's what it looks like from the back. And from the front, in case you guys are interested. That's the box. Now, let's go with the unboxing. So with this iPhone, you already know the new thing about it is the 3 cameras at the back with the addition of the ultra wide. So that's the new camera. Because the iPhone before had 2 anyway, the XS Max. Oh, the smell of the box smells so good. Next. So this is the phone itself. You can see they pretty much changed it. See, inside it's white and the box on the outside is black, but on the inside the box around the iPhone is actually white. So now you just lift it up and then you can see I'm not going to take off the protective cover because I've got screen protectors in the other room, and you know me, I'm probably going to sell this a year later and upgrade to the new one. So I always like to keep it as good condition as I possibly can. So that's what it looks like from the front of the phone. Pretty much you can't tell the difference between this one and the iPhone XS Max. It looks exactly the same, it's the same size, hence the word Max in their names. And also, the only difference at the back is the 3 cameras. Also, what's new about this phone is that it has more battery. It has 5 extra hours of battery compared to the XS Max. And also, what else does this phone have? Yeah, 5 extra hours than a XS Max. That's already pretty good. And that's it. Underneath the box you just get the good old Design by California, and underneath there is the earpods and the fast charger, which is also included this time. So this time the fast charger can charge your phone in about 30 minutes, about 50% it can charge your phone. So in 1 hour it should be fully charged. Oh, there we go, look at that. So these are not AirPods, they're the normal earpods still, nothing different about them. I reckon with the new phones at this price, $2,149, they should include the Apple AirPods, seriously. It comes with the USB port, but this time it's USB-C to Lightning. If you guys can see it, the camera won't focus, it's a big pain in the ass. If you can focus, you guys know what a USB-C port looks like anyway. So it's USB-C to Lightning, and that's what enables the fast charging, because the Lightning cable cannot do fast charging. If it was 2-sided USB-C, it would be able to charge even faster. And this is what the power brick looks like. Much bigger than before. Before it was half the size. That's what the power brick looks like right now. Nothing new. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching my unboxing video of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Such a long name, I swear it takes like, if I put my title on YouTube with just that name, it's already half the letters that you're able to use. Give a like, comment and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day, evening and night. Peace.